Now we've got some harder trigonometry questions. You can tell this because this is no longer a right angle triangle. So we have to label it in a slightly different way. Let's label this angle here A, this side A, this angle here B, this side B, and this angle here C, and this side C. Now the reason I've labelled it like this is because I can tell this first question here is a cosine rule question. We're asked to find the length here AB, but we're given two sides and the included angle. That's one of the ways of having a cosine rule question. Two sides and an included angle. The other way would be if we're given all three sides and no angles. So I've labelled A the side we're actually trying to find, and capital A the one opposite that, which is slightly confusing because we have these letters here, but they don't actually mean anything. You can get rid of them. They're just distracting in the question. So we write out the cosine rule. A squared equals B squared, which is at the front of your formula book. Now B squared is 15 squared, plus C squared, which is 8 squared, minus 2 times 15, that's B, times C, which is 8, multiplied by cos of capital A, 70. So you type all of that into your calculator and you'll get A squared equals, and then you'll get 206.915 and some more things. So to get A, you square root that, square root of 206.915, etc. Make sure you do the whole number on your calculator. So use the answer button and you'll get 14.4 when you round that to three significant figures. So 14.4 centimeters is that length. Now we need to calculate the size of angle BAC. So we need to unhide these a minute and find out which angle we were on about. So it's BAC. So BAC here means basically calculate angle B. So this one here is our goal. We're trying to find that. Now to do that you need pairs of sides with angles. We've got one pair here. We've got B and B. That's 15 and the one we're trying to find. Now we can't pair this 8 with that angle because we don't know it, but we just worked out this side here. That A, we know that now, that's 14.4. So we can pair that A with the angle 70. So to use the sine rule to find an angle, you write the angle bit on the top. So we have sine of the angle we're trying to find, which is B, over its corresponding side, 15, equals sine of 70 over this number 14.4. Now I'm going to put dot 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 there because that's not exactly 14.4. It's 14.4 when it's been rounded, and we're going to need to use that exact number again when we do this on the calculator. So what you do now is multiply by 15 on both sides. So you get sine of B equals 15 sine 70 over this number 14.4, which again, remember, it's actually got some more decimal places on it. So you type this bit into a calculator and you'll have sine of B equals, and that will come out as 0.9798, and again some more digits. And then to get B, you do inverse sine of that, this number, and again use the answer button here, so use the exact number that's on your screen, and then you should get B as 78.5 degrees.